It's not like a movie.
Excuse me. I was gonna say one thing. I think gay people are sick, and you guys should just kill yourselves. Just end your miserable existence.
She's so stupid. You're so stupid. You know that though, right? You know you're stupid.
You are the weirdest f***ing kid in school.
Why do you always mess with me?
You know what? All of you Muslims, you need to go back to the hellholes you're from.
Can you believe this? F***ing terrorist.
What did you say?
You heard what I said. Fat bitches like you should get over themselves. Go on a diet.
I'm just waiting for you. Can you please leave me alone?
I'm traumatized. Get a gym membership.
I hate fat people. I think you should go. I think you should go.
She upset me too.
I think you should go.
Everyone hates you. You should hate yourself too.
What are you doing? Why are you talking to her like that?
Because she deserves it.
No, she doesn't. Like, walk away right now.
Homosexuality is a disease. You're saving humanity by killing yourself.
Get out of here right now.
No.
Yeah.
Take a walk.
This woman is dangerous. All Muslims are terrorists.
Yeah. I'm also a terrorist, just so you know. You're fine. That's really mean. Are you okay?
Yeah.